开机我的第一步我就先我把它翻开，然后
Okay. Flip over the screen. Turn emergency switch and turn the K switch.
음, 然后我就进入一个抽水界面。
Firstly, we need to fill the water. Please remember the password is 9 digits. Okay, confirm. Press the pump button to start pumping. Okay, when the when the water tank is full, the pump will stop automatically. Then we can press the on button to start the charging of the power unit. Please wait patiently. It takes about 15 seconds. Now you can see on the right side, on the right top, it shows off. It means the system is now on.